Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral from number 1 to 2 of 1 plus 2x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 5 multiplied with 1 plus x to the power of 2 everything to the power of 3 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to multiply with x on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to 1 plus x squared. So we can find x squared in here. That's about u minus 1 equal to x squared. And for this one too. Later that, we do first the derivative in the both sides. So we divide with number 2. Now we need to change number 1 and number 2 in here. If s equal to number 1, so u should be about number 2. If s equal to number 2, so u should be about number 5, because we input the value in here. That's why you can get the value of u. About s squared, we need to change for u minus 1. This one you will got about u minus 1 to the power of 3. And this one we change for u. S ds we change for this one. Number 1 we change for number 2. And number 2 we change for number 5. So now we need to simplify everything. We separate them into two integrals in here. We have u minus 1, we divide u minus 1. So this is about power 2. Next, on numerator, we put about u minus 1. Because minus u, you got about u minus u, they cancel. Minus with minus, you got about positive number 1 in here. So now we do similar for this one too. That's about u minus 1. U divide to this one, you will got about 1 over this one, but we just change the power 3 into power 2. We have the negative in here. U minus 1, we divide this one, so we got the same thing like this, but we just change the power. As you can see that this is similar for this one. So this one eliminate this one, so you go about the positive. Now we do continue similar technique. That's about u minus 1, similar this one. So we just repeat the process many times like this until we can separate the fraction in here. As you can see that this one and this one, they have the same one, so they will cancel. Now we continue use about u minus 1. So this one we have u divided by u, you got about 1 over u minus 1 to the power of 3. This one you will get about u multiplied with u minus 1 to the power of 2. U divided to this one, you got about u square. This one, because we had a negative, so we put the positive in here. Now we continue use this one. U minus 1 divide this one and u divided by u. So we have u divide this one, you got about negative u multiply with u minus 1, and in here we have positive 1 over u squared. So now these things they will cancel together. Now we just have this one left. So we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over u minus 1 to the power of 3, you will got about negative 1 over 2 multiplied with u minus 1 to the power of 2 in here. Next, the integral of negative 1 over u minus 1 square, you will got about positive 1 over u minus 1. and in this one you got about negative 1 over u, and the last one, that's about negative 1 over 2 u squared. About u, we need to change back to this one. One minus 1, you got about 0, so x power 2 and power 2, you got about x to the power of 4. This one cancel. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.